Well, students, today I am explaining you in spreadsheet chapter linking data in spreadsheet, how to link the several worksheets and all. Okay, when you launch Excel on your computer, okay, see how will you launch? You press this one or Excel will appear over here. This is one way. Another is press Windows or type Excel. Fine. So when you type Excel, then what will happen? Excel will be opened in front of you. Then you need to open the sheets. So you can add as many worksheets as you want. To insert a new worksheet, so this is the thing, to insert a new worksheet you can do it in three ways. One is click on in the insert worksheet, and the keyboard shortcut it is showing shift plus F11. Okay, insert worksheet, shift plus F11, or you can use home, insert sheet. Okay, home and then insert and then insert the sheets. Okay, so here the insert table. Okay, that is the thing. So you can do either of the things in order to increase the sheets in number of sheets. All right, that is the thing. So these are actually the different type of tabs are available in order to work on with. So let us come to the linking part in Microsoft Excel. All right, so first of all we have opened a workbook that we have already opened this workbook, and we are on the sheet 1. All right, so here you type some data, that is the sheet 1 tab. These are called sheet tabs. Okay, so this is insert worksheet, and you can press shift plus F11. All right, that is a thing, or you can do it from the insert tab also. All right, so we are just inputting something. So what the things we are inserting, that is tiger, and then census, as it is given in your book, census, and then underscore, and then I am entering state wise, STATE, state wise. Okay, some data I will enter, that is the states given out here. Okay, and here not this one, I'll just take it in the bottom one. So I will just do it in this way, and then here this is the steps. Here it is the number of tigers. Okay, tigers. All right, that is the thing. So here what we are doing, we are just taking the states and the year concerned, 202 2010 and 2011 and 2012. Okay, so name of the states we will write out here: Uttarakhand, and then Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Maharashtra, okay, Rajasthan, and Karnataka. These are the steps that steps we are taking, and here we are just going with this one. Okay, any data you can take. Okay, any data you can take, and here say 456, and then 321, and then this thing also you can come over here with 324. Okay, and here just fill the data. You should no need to go. Okay, like this, and then 278, 900, and then 213. Okay, 42, 46, 7. Okay, 300, and 900. Okay, and then here 345, 678, and 379, 29. Okay, so these are the data. So now what will happen? Now we will copy this particular format, okay, into another sheet. Okay, copy, and then we will make it here like this. Okay, so now from here we will just take out this values. Okay, and here we will increase the size of it, and the number of tigers only will be of only one cell. Okay, only of one cell or out here. So like this. Fine, so we can put a border around out here. Okay, now you come over here. Okay, all borders we have done. Okay, fine, number of borders. Now what will happen, the consolidated result will be coming over here. Okay, the number of tigers. Okay, that one will be shown. So how to do this? We are use it by using two ways: to refer to the cells of the other sheets using a keyboard or using a mouse. So how to do it is the using a keyboard. Okay, open the worksheet in which you want to create the reference. For example, if it is in this, then there only you have to give it. Okay, that is the thing. So how will you do this? Okay, so first of all, I am using mouse only. You give equals to sum. From where the data you will take? You will take from here, sheet 1. So you will take the data from here. Okay, comma, then this. Okay, not this, actually, wait. Okay, first of all you are doing here sum, and then bracket, sorry, bracket. Alright, then go to the sheet. Okay, say for example this one you are taking what, this B4, and then put a comma over here, come to the this thing, then put over here, okay, comma, and then this. Then what is actually you are finding out there, this is the reference. Okay, sheet 1 B4, which is this one, this is sheet 1 C4 and sheet 1 D4. So these three has been taken. All right, then you press enter, you will see that altogether the sum has been copied over there. Okay, so in this way you can link a part of a worksheet. Okay, you can link a part of a you can take the data from the one sheet and you can put it into another worksheet. Okay, similarly in the sheet 2 also, if you want, now see, if you want to add a cell range, so equals to, then sum you give, and then what else you do, you can go to the sheet 1 and then you can come over here and you can give the starting cell range. Okay, B5, and then put a colon. All right, then you go over here. Okay, clear? Sheet 1, not that sheet 1 has come twice. Okay, sheet 1 you come over here, this sheet 1 B5, it actually it is showing, just you write B5. Okay, B5. Okay, and then you put colon over here and then you go over there. Okay, sheet 1 D5. All right, so total range has been taken into consideration. Now if you press the enter, the total result will be shown over there. So 1101 are the one. So afterwards, if you want, you can copy down the formula, so it will give you the necessary result. So B8, if you are talking about B1 to D8, then B1 to D8 is where it is not B1 to D8, I am sorry, here it is showing sheet B8 to D8, sorry, B8 to D8 is what, B8 is this one, Maharashtra 1. So Maharashtra 1, it is showing how much, 1 to double, Maharashtra, no, West Bengal. West Bengal is showing B8 to D8. So where is West Bengal? West Bengal is here, this one. Okay, so B8 to D8. So actually here is a problem, but the problem is this is not the proper sequence has been taken. Okay, so what we do is, here we have to remove this one and then we have to go over here and we need to do it separately. How? This one, and put the sum over here and then give this one in this way. Okay, so you come over here, sheet 1, you go to Jharkhand and then put a colon sign over here. So you just give your B6. Okay, B6 and then put colon and then go over here Jharkhand, that will show you this one. Okay, I'm sorry, equals to, sorry, equals to sum, and then you give this one. Where is Jharkhand? Jharkhand is this. Okay, B6 and put a colon sign. Okay, removing this one and then put this one. Okay, D6. So it is coming how much, 1011. All right, so B6 to D6, it is giving you 1011. So in this way you can easily link the, you can easily find out the sum. all right. That is the thing. So once more you can see out here, you go over there, Uttarakhand equals to sum. You can give it as a cell range, or you may give how, you may give this comma, this comma, and this one you can put a comma, okay, enter. So 1485. So actually the states it has gone over there, it should come over here, okay. In the states actually it should not come this particular thing. So first of all we need to merge it, okay, here it will be there. And how to take it in the middle, okay, press Ctrl 1, sorry, escape, okay, press Ctrl 1, okay, that is the thing. And then it will come back, wait a minute, alignment, then you go to the horizontal is okay, verticals, then center, then click on OK, fine. So it will come in the middle, okay. This is the full screen, I think, full screen view, so you can change it also, okay. Normal view, all right. So that is the thing. So now you can do one thing, this is the sheet 1, and then sheet 2 views are also there, okay. So what could you do here, you go to the sheet 2 and then go equals to, and then you give here equals to sum, and then what else, sheet 1 is here, so 456 340, you give out here comma, and then also this one comma, and then also this one comma, all right, enter, okay. So it will come over here like this. Uttarakhand, it is 1485, okay. So let us see for Uttarakhand what is there. Uttarakhand is having how much, let's see, equals to sum, and then sheet 1 is having what, 340 comma this comma, and then 789, okay, okay. Here also the identical value has come, that's why for Uttar Pradesh equals to sum, then sheet 1 is how much, 456 B5 comma this comma, and then this, okay, D5, okay, 1101 equals to Jharkhand sum, then you have to go to here 234 comma 456 comma 321. So now 1011 has come. So in this way, if you want to see the West Bengal, then sum, then go for the West Bengal data, okay. This time we will do with the cell range, okay, colon, put a colon sign, okay, then click over here, okay, not like this, this one colon, you remove this one first of all, and then this one, okay, B7 to D7 1391. So in this way you can easily do the things by using the two different sheets over here, okay. And the sheet tab you have seen over here, this is called sheet tab, and this is the insert worksheet also. This one you can use easily, okay, clear, that is the thing. So whenever you are entering the formula, so first of all what you need to do, you need to open the workbook that has both the worksheets, okay. Suppose you are doing with sheet 1, so go to the sheet 1 first of all, and then copy and type a formula in the another sheet where you want to consolidate. Suppose this sheet you want to consolidate, okay. So two sheets are opened over here, here you write your formula, okay, any formula, max, min, sum, whatsoever. I am doing it sum, okay. Then you go to the sheet 1, okay, then you select the particular cell or the cell range, okay, like this as I am doing, all right, and then close it, okay, by using the parenthesis. So this particular cell range, cell references will be enclosed in a particular parenthesis. These are the parameters of the formula concerned, sum, okay, press enter. So you will get the result in another sheet, okay, by pressing the enter key, okay. You can drag the formula in the rest of the sheets, it will be copied down in this way, okay. So that's all the things, okay. So B8, this one, this is 9, C9, B9, C9 and D9, okay, where it is as a B9, C9 and D9, and the last one is how much? It will be B10, C10 and D10. Okay, so the B10, C10 and D10. One result we will check out here by using the calculator. Okay, so you can run the calculator over here, just whether it has come or not, we can cross check. Okay, how could we do? We could take the number 345 plus 678, okay, and plus what, 329. All right, now you see out here, sorry, 9 has not been come. Yeah, what is coming? 1352. Let's see in the sheet 2 whether 1352 has come, appeared or not. Okay, sheet 2 you go. Yes, 1352 has been appeared. Okay, so the same result, so that means we are correct. So in this way, what will you do, students? Okay, you will setting up multiple sheets and creating reference to other worksheets. Okay, so you can do any of the things. If you want here, if you want to find out the average, you give here average, it will be changed. If you want to give here maximum, okay, that also will be possible. Max, which year it was max, 678 is the maximum. Okay, this is the year. Okay, maximum. Okay, that has been shown. In this way other formulas are also possible as well. Okay, all right then students, thank you very much. This practical activity is for you, and practice this one along with its all keyboard shortcuts. As I have told you, to insert a worksheet, it is Shift plus F11. Definitely practice that, and this is called sheet tab in order to increase the number of sheets. Okay, if you want to delete the sheets, right click and then choose delete, it will be deleted. Fine, thank you very much.